Hey, how's it going, guys? Brandon here checking in. Just want to do a really quick video, show you guys a trade that I'm looking at hopping in a few moments. I'm on the British pound dollar 5-minute chart. Now, today is the 1st of March 2016, and I'm looking to take this trade, looking to open a long position. And the reason for that is if we kind of zoom out on the charts here, we can see, there was an uptrend in play for the past few hours. You can see we kind of have this channel here being created or established, the upward trend line. Now, what recently took place, a break of that trend line right here. I'm just going to go ahead and assume that this was a fake breakout. And the reason for that is because of our fib levels here. All right, so I drew my fib levels, and there has been kind of like a rejection off of this 61.8 level. And for me, I couldn't really confirm this as a breakout to the downside unless I get some type of breakout through that 61.8 level to the downside. All right, until we get that, I'm going to go ahead and assume that the market is still going higher. This is just a drawback or a retracement to the upside, and we can go ahead and assume that this minor breakout here of the trend line is just going to be a fake out, and we're probably going to end up adjusting our trend line back into the direction of the overall trend here. So I'm going to go ahead and just hop in on this position. See, we kind of had like this this bullish engulfing candle right off of that 61.8 level. So I'm going to go ahead and take the opportunity to hop in on this position right now. We're going to go ahead and set up our risk management here. If I see the market plunge below the 61.8 level, then I can go ahead and assume that, the bearish pressure is coming in and the market's probably going to take its turn and reverse down into a downtrend, which probably is going to happen pretty soon. But I'm just not too confident in it doing it right now. So I'm going to go ahead and just make that my risk right there for my stop loss right there below that level there. Now for my target, I can kind of see the market shooting back up towards this resistance level here, which is right around the 23.6 level. So I'm going to go ahead and just make that my target. Usually I like to get a 1 to 2 risk to reward, right? So I'm pretty confident that the market's going to make its way up into this level here. So we're already in profit right now as we speak. So I'm just going to kind of pause the video here and come back a little bit later and see how this plays out. Okay, what's going on, guys? We're back. It looks like the trade worked out for us. Now, I had to actually close out the position manually. I just checked my charts and I actually caught it right here. Okay, this is actually where the market is right now. So it was just maybe a pip or two shy from my target there. And if, like I told you guys, my target was actually up here, back up at the 23.6 level. And for some reason, my take profit just didn't get executed. Now, I think it's just because of the spread. Maybe the spread didn't clear yet. So I didn't get taken out of the trade by my order that was sitting there. So I just went ahead. I saw that it was just a couple pips away from my target. So I went ahead and just closed out the position manually. So just to kind of go over what we did, we got down, we got in the trade down here right after we saw that that bullish engulfing. Let me zoom in some. A bullish engulfing candle right here, right off of that 61.8 level of the fib. And the reason we went ahead and bought the market instead of selling this because we had already established a trend to the upside. And typically what happens a lot, guys, if you draw your trend lines, you'll notice there's a lot of false breakouts. And, really what it comes down to is just the bank manipulation. That's basically where the smart money comes in and just takes the market off in the direction that it intended to go. Okay, so today we were a part of the smart money in that move. So we didn't get fooled by the breakout of the trend line to the downside. Instead, we saw that as an opportunity to actually hop on board with the smart money back in the direction of the overall trend. Now, what could take place right now, the market definitely could still continue higher. I have no reason to believe that it won't. As of today, I am done trading. Let's see what we made on that position. So like I told you guys before, I actually closed out the position manually. You can see my target profit was right here at 3973, and I actually just closed out the position at 39676. Okay, so just a couple points away from my target. Still made a nice hefty profit on this trade.